In this Apostrophe short video, I'll be covering the ApostropheCMS Pro SEO Assistant extension. SEO metadata is important for getting your content properly indexed by search engines so that your content gets seen. However, writing SEO information for content is often overlooked because it can be time-consuming or seen as less important compared to other tasks, leaving valuable opportunities for better visibility untapped. This extension makes this task a lot easier by delivering your content to an AI provider along with a modifiable prompt to deliver back all the document SEO in just a couple of clicks. The project I'm using for this demo was created with the e-commerce starter kit. This starter kit uses Tailwind for styling and provides some great widgets for getting your project up and running quickly. I added a couple of pages and some product pieces so that you can see how this works. This extension has a couple of dependencies, including the basic ApostropheCMS SEO Tools extension. Opening up our homepage for editing, you can see the SEO tab added by the Tools extension. In this project, since we also have the Assistant extension installed, the title and description fields on that tab now have an extra icon we click to have our AI provider fill the field out. After clicking the icon, you will get a confirmation prompt to click that will send our page content and prompt. After a short time, the text field will be filled out with the SEO metadata sent back to you by the AI. You then have three choices: accept the suggestion, ask the AI to try again, or you can edit the prompt first before having the suggestion regenerated. Once you accept the suggestion, you of course can manually edit the SEO. Let's go ahead and do the description as well. Let's do one more document, this time a product piece. You can do pieces in two ways, either from the individual piece page editor or from the piece itself. SEO metadata added in either way will be displayed when a search engine indexes the page displaying the product. Here we are adding our metadata through the piece editor. We can see that then when we open the piece page editor, that SEO title content has been added. Finally, if you're working in a locale other than the English EN locale, the prompt will automatically update to return the prompt in the language of that locale. For example, if we ask for the AI to give us the title SEO metadata in the French FR locale, you can see that the info is delivered in French. This is accomplished by the prompt being changed behind the scenes. So that's it for the SEO Assistant tool. You can see that adding AI-generated SEO metadata in ApostropheCMS is quick and easy. If you want to learn more about the extension and install it in your project, check out the links in the description below.